Hello everyone, my name is Ilina Naumova and I'm going to visit Disneyland and today I'm get my nails done for this trip. I hope you can even repeat this manicure.
Let's start by removing the old gel. The most important thing here is not to rush. I'm using a nail drill to gently remove the coating. The movements should be light and smooth, no pressure on the nail. I move the nail drill along the nail growth direction and avoid staying in one spot for too long, prevent a heat. By the way, some people are scared of a nail drill, but trust me, if used correctly, it's absolutely safe and even comfortable. Next, we are filing the nail surface to make it smooth and clean. I'm using a soft nail file around 180 grit to avoid damaging the nail. The goal here is to gently even out the surface and remove any leftover gel. Now it's time to lift the cuticle. I'm using an orange stick and gently pushing the cuticle back. No rushing here, just smooth and slow movements to lift the cuticle without hurting it. This helps expose the pterygium, which we will clean up in the next step. Some people prefer metal pushers, but I find orange stickers to be gentle. What about you? Are you team orange stick or metal pusher? Let me know. Before moving on, I'm opening a sterile toolkit. Now onto the manicure. First, I clean up the pterygium and make sure the side walls are neat. Then I use small manicure scissors to carefully trim the cuticle. After that, I use an e-file to polish the skin around the nail for a clean, soft finish. This step really makes the nail look like fresh and flawless. Next, I'm hydrating the nail plate to remove any moisture and applying a non-acid primer to improve adhesion. Now we're ready for the base coat. I'm using a thin layer of rubber base. This is like a primer for nails, helping the gel stick better. I spread it even across the nail, making sure to cover the entire surface. For stretching, I'm using a builder gel. I apply a small bit to the center of the nail and gently float it towards two sides and free edge. Once the gel is cured, I wipe off the sticky layer and file the surface again. This step helps create the perfect shape and ensures the nail is completely smooth. Now it's time for color. I am applying a classic red polish, timeless and always chic. For a flawless look, I use a fine brush to carefully apply the polish close to the cuticle. Time for some fun! Let's do the design. I start with simple hearts using a dotting tool. I make two dots and connect them with a fine brush to form a heart shape. Now the star of the show, Mickey Mouse. First I sketch the outline with a pencil, then I use the black gel polish to draw his ears, face and details. And we are done. Look at this beautiful manicure. It's bright, stylish and totally Disney inspired. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I think it's perfectly for the trip to Disneyland. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. See you in the next one.